Here at Lloyd Select in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Toyota CHR XL finished in the very stylish Tyrol Silver. It's a 1.8 Petrol Hybrid, certainly just look the part, and it's sitting on those stunning diamond turned alloys, really complementing the sport exterior styling as well as the rear privacy glass. Very practical amount of boot space there as well. Moving to the interior, I have got the full black leather finish, very comfortable to be in, plenty of legroom in the back there as well. Very well presented dashboard. You've got the front sport seats, which could be very nice as you drive. They're very comfortable to be in. Taking a seat inside now, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your rear camera working in hand with your parking sensors, ensuring full confidence when getting into those tighter spaces. Ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do also include your Bluetooth connectivity, all your vehicle information, and you have also got your media on there as well. Your 2-zone climate control, as well as your front heated seats there as well, perfect for those colder days. For more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.